What is up, YouTube, man? I know it's been a while. I apologize. We're coming back, though. We're coming back with a lot of content. So first and foremost, I just want to say this video might upset some people, might make some people very excited. Things have changed. I know it's been several months since the last time I posted a video, but it's for a good cause, in my opinion. I've been working real hard to make sure I had something actually worth producing content for. So with that being said, I'd like to introduce to you all the new build.
Let me disarm you. I'm not trying to own you. I just wanna know what it feels like to have your body so close. Let me absolve you of the past that controls you. I just wanna know what you look like without a weight on your soul.
Yeah, said you'll find what you're looking for when you stop looking. All of your exes with lessons in. We'll talk about them again. You keep on settling. Wonder if love is a pain or the medicine. You never let it in. Well, I guess that you're right. But Vegas been never my type. And I didn't build up this wall overnight.
And we're back. All right, so let me just start by saying that my love, my heart, my baby, the 1987 root beer colored E30 is gone. I know everyone wants to see that build completed. But with my current living situation, being in the military, moving a lot, is just entirely too difficult for me to try to move that car while it's a project and it not be usable for me. So I did sell the car, sold it for 20 times what I paid for it when I bought it originally. So not really any complaints. The wagon build, the wagon started having small engine issues, and it was issue after issue. And what I didn't want to do was have a car that started to look nice, but had so many issues, the mechanical issues anyway, that we couldn't even use the vehicle. So I let the wagon go. Someone who actually needed a local car that could get around town, no type of issues, it would run fine for him, let it go for super cheap to a guy that actually needed it for him and his family. And I felt like that was the right thing to do. I made sure that he could drive, locally without any type of issue. We're bringing in the 2014 BMW 328i. I know there's going to be a lot of questions about it. Basically, the car I got for a steal. The dealer wanted over $16,000 for the car, a little less than 100,000 miles on it. Let's just say that I paid less than $10,000 for the car in mint condition. One previous owner. The engine bay looks brand new, as you've already seen. It drives, runs without any issues, no problems whatsoever. Does have a few cosmetic things that we will be addressing, that I will be fixing. I have done multiple things already to the car that I really wish I would have had on camera. But once again, I didn't have time to record majority of the time. Trying to edit and everything like that, it would have been entirely too long. So I will go over those briefly. You'll see them in the video, but I will show them briefly just so you have an idea. And I will also show you the before when I first purchased the car versus how it looks now, because it is a significant difference. So with that being said, let's hop into that.
I'm used to your only a friend. Fell deep in each letter you send. I'm questioning loving again. I'm questioning when it will end. Then till I break it, my heart don't break even. I want this for longer than only a season. And you didn't break me. You came to pick up the pieces. No, you never hear it, but you is who I believe in. No one ever perfect, but you are perfect to me. And lately I'm believing in love. You are the reason. I'm talking to my angels above. Wish you could meet him. Wish I could see him one more day. Just to hear his voice tell me everything is okay. Just to show him that his son is here, spoken to change. And hear him laugh when I tell him about the stories we made, pretending like I'm okay. I'm broken and you know it. Building up a wall and never show it. Grabbing on my face, told me focus. You're not the only one that's been broken. I'm hoping you open up. I thought what? Thinking that I'm always hoping, but I realize I've been swollen shut. There's more to us, there's more to love than surface lust, the surface front. And tonight I might spill my guts, she said.
That being said though, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. There will be more videos coming soon, very soon. We have a lot of stuff planned for this build. I will have another video explaining what all I plan on doing here in the near future. So please stay tuned. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe if you enjoyed my content. I'm trying to get, as much as I can out there. I really want to be seen. I really want to talk to people. I really want to interact with people. If you're in the F30 community, if you're in the E46 community, if you're in the BMW community, period, I don't care what. I don't care if you drive a 1964 BMW. If you are in the car community, if you're in the BMW community and you want to talk to anybody, hit me up, man. I'm free. I have social media accounts listed under every video. Feel free to contact me at any time. Thank you.